Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to delete a playlist on YouTube. So to do this, you just have to open your YouTube application in your device and then click on the library icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now as you can see here, this is your playlist. So you just have to click on the view all, and then click on the three dots beside the playlist that you want to delete. For example, this one here. Okay, as you can see, you can now delete your playlist on YouTube. But there is a second way to do that. So you just have to click on a specific playlist and then click on the three dots again beside the specific video that you want to remove from your playlist, and then click on remove from Darna parody playlist. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can remove a playlist on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.